Now, this is how we can mark all emails as read on a Gmail. So I'm gonna open up the Safari browser where I'm signed in with my Gmail account right there. And as you can see in my inbox, I have 1006 emails, which I haven't opened, right? So if I want to open all of them, what I have the ability to do is essentially be in the primary section in there and click on the select button. So as you can see, I get to select all of them when I expand it, but it only selects them on the first page, right? So only those which show up on the first page are gonna be selected. But there is the option, because currently it tells me that only like the 50 conversations are selected, but I can essentially select all of the conversations in the primary. So when I click on it like this, all of them are selected. And then now I just need to click on the button which says mark as read. So when I click on it like this, I'm going to confirm the bulk action, click OK. It might take a while, but now the emails are now open. But as you can see, it hasn't done much because we only work with the primary section. So I still have 999 emails, right? Which have not been open. And these are part of the promotions, socials, and updates. So we need to apply to that as well. Or we can also go to the all mail section right in here, which puts them all together, and we can perform the very same action in here. So right now we're going to select all, make sure that we select all of the 12,000 conversations in all mail. And again, click on open or mark as read. Confirm the bulk action as well. And right now it should all be open. So after a while, it should tell me that all of them are now open, right? And hopefully it is gonna get the job done. So it might take a while for it to be updated in terms of the inbox in here, but we literally selected all of the emails and there is nothing which hasn't been clicked on. So this might need a while to be updated in there, but that is essentially it. Let me know if you managed to make that work as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the future uploads.